Ntsiki Mazwai causes chaos with her fat body. Musician and controversial poet Ntsiki Mazwai is known for speaking her mind and not censoring herself. Taking to Twitter, the outspoken poet shared a photo of herself standing in a swimming pool clad only in her birthday suit. "Good morning," she captioned the pic. This is not the first time. Ntsiki Mazwai once posted a topless picture of herself on social media. The poet and activist shared an image of herself with a message about male privilege. "Claim your male privilege, live your life, babe," she captioned a picture of herself standing next to two of her male friends, who were also shirtless. She didn't seem to have a care in the world, and had this to say: "If you have body image issues with my body, I suggest you speak to God, me I adore, and accept my body and my free spirit." Yeah.